Characteristics groups are called functional group. And basically they are of your, how many types you are going to read for class 10th? You are going to read at least like your aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, alcohol and your haloalkanes. These all are the halo groups are your, they are also called as your functional group, and these groups which I am going to talk you about, they all comes under that. Understood, no? So moving on the next part of yours, you can see when we are talking about homologous series, they are differ by what? Few minutes back only I have instructed you, they are differ by a 40 number of carbons. That means 14 means they are differ by a series of CH2. Clear? So next paragraph which you are going to mention in this, every member, please note it down. Every member of homologous series is called homologue. Member means what? Like if you are taking the alkane family, if you are increasing the number of carbon, first we are taking CH4, first one carbon, then C2H, CnH2n plus 2 we are having, that means C2H, 2,4Z plus 2,10, like that. So they are differ with each other, that I will tell you in the other next coming classes. So they are differ by the 10, or you can say they are differ by a 40 number of carbons atom in that. Will it be okay for you to understand? Every member of homologous series are called homologue. Clear? That is a short form or short name of homologous series. Shortly you can write homologue, and they are differ by a its successive means your children पिछला वाला जो मेंबर होता है, ठीक है, सक्सेसिव मेंबर by CH2, ठीक है। यहाँ पे आपको एक जनरल एग्जांपल मैं बता देती हूँ जिसके थ्रू आप इस होमोलॉगस सीरीज को कंसिडर कर सकते हैं। मैंने क्या बताया कि यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट लिखा था, मैं उसको अलग कलर के मार्कर से हाईलाइट कर दूंगी। CH2 को अगर हम एक्सपैंड करें तो यहाँ पे कार्बन का एटॉमिक मास क्या होता है? एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन इज योर 12 प्लस 1 into 2 you are having what? 12 plus 2, that means they are differ by what number of atoms of that? They are differ by 40. Clear? Example लेते हैं. As an example, if you are going to take one number like CH4. CH4 is what? अगर आपको नेमिंग या फिर कार्बन के प्रीफिक्स नेम्स नहीं आते हैं तो CH4 फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ मेथ, एथ, प्रोप, ब्यूट, पेंट. मैं आपको इसके बाद वाली स्लाइड्स में ये लिखवाऊंगी और आपको ये बताऊंगी कि ये सारे प्रीफिक्स आपको याद होने चाहिए. मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव लर्न ऑलरेडी, बट दोज हु आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट, यू जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. This is the basic things where you are going to start with the nomenclature. When you know this functional group, homologous series, but you don't know that if you are having 5 carbon, whether we will call it as prop or pent, then it's very very difficult for you to understand that nomenclature, and it's difficult for you even to write the name of that particular compound. Understood, no? So CH4 is what? Your methane. What is methane? Clear? Next compound I am going to take for this group, when you are having C2, I don't know whether you know the formula of alkane or alkyne groups, but I'll just introduce directly here. In next videos we will see the particular definition of that groups and then we will solve the problems. C2, CnH2n is the formula, CnH2n plus 2. C means here we are having 2, H2n, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2 we are having 6, C2H6. ठीक है, we are having for this. So this name we are going to give what? This name we are going to give for meth, eth. Eth means your ethane. You can see we are talking about alkane groups. Now you are more aware about the groups because already I have discussed. You can see the difference between CH4 and C2H6 is of how much carbon और how much number of atom. तो बेटा आप देखेंगे कि इन दोनों कंपाउंड्स में जो डिफरेंस होगा वो 14 नंबर ऑफ एटम्स के बराबर होगा. आप देखिएगा यहाँ पे कार्बन कितना है 12 और यहाँ पे कितना है 4 हाइड्रोजन। 12 प्लस 4 कितना होगा, मैं यहाँ पे इसको सॉल्व कर देती हूँ। यहाँ पे कार्बन कितना है 12, एक हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक मास हम 1 मानते हैं, 1 into 4 वी आर हैविंग प्लस 4, यहाँ पे हमारा कितना है 16। ठीक है, इसकी बात करते हैं। यहाँ पे कार्बन के कितने कंपाउंड्स हैं, यहाँ पे कार्बन के कितने कंपाउंड्स हैं 2। एक कंपाउंड्स अगर 12 है तो दूसरा 2 कंपाउंड्स कितने होंगे 12 into 2 प्लस H6। H6 means what? Hydrogen is having 1. When we are going to multiply with 6, what we will get? 6. 24 plus 6 we are getting 30. मैथ के बाद जस्ट एथ आता है। कार्बन नंबर अगर 1 होगा किसी भी कंपाउंड में, अगर एक कार्बन होगा तो उसको मैथ बोलते हैं। किसी भी कंपाउंड में अगर 2 कार्बन होगा तो उसको एथ बोलते हैं। और होमोलोगस सीरीज वो सीरीज होती है जिसमें अगर सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप, कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप यहाँ यूज हो रहा है एल्केन, इसलिए सबके लास्ट में एन लगा हुआ है यहाँ। क्लियर? एंड दे आर डिफर बाय व्हाट? दे आर डिफर बाय जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट नंबर। दिस इज फर्स्ट इज योर 60 एंड सेकंड इज योर 30। नाउ subtract. Clear? You have to subtract 30 minus 16. What you will get when you are subtracting 60 minus 13? You will get the difference of 14. And I told you already, each homologous series of same functional groups, they differ by 14. That means what the statement we are going to talk about for homologous series is almost correct. We have proved this through an example of same functional group. Children, आपको एक बात का हमेशा ध्यान देना, मैं बार बार कह रही हूँ, सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप का होना है। ऐसा नहीं है कि आप यहाँ CH4 ले लिए एल्केन फैमिली का और यहाँ आप जो अगला वाला ले रहे हैं वो एल्कीन का ले लिए, नहीं, तब ये डिफर नहीं करेगा। ये किस केस में, तब ये सेम, ये होमोलोगस सीरीज को फॉलो नहीं करेगा। ये किस केस में फॉलो करेगा, जब आपके सारे जो हमारे कंपाउंड्स होंगे एक दूसरे से, वो कार्बन नंबर ऑफ कार्बन की अवेलेबिलिटी के हिसाब से सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप के होंगे। समझ में आया? इसी के साथ हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। अगले वाले सीरीज में हम ये देखेंगे कि इसमें क्या देख रहे हैं, आप इसको नोट कर लीजिए। उसके बाद हम कार्बन का प्रीफिक्स देंगे किस हिसाब से नेमिंग कर रहे हैं। क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट वी आर मूविंग ऑन दिस, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। उसमें ज्यादा समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ नोट करने की जरूरत है। व्हाट आर द प्रीफिक्स वी आर गोइंग टू यूज व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स। क्लियर? So generally most of my children are very smart and I think so they know it already, because since you are seeing this video or you are reading this chapter from class when you are in class 10, not in first year, that means many times you have read this and now you are recalling this one. So it's better for you to understand if the carbon number is 1, we are having meth, then eth, then we are having prop, then but, then pent, then hex, hept, oct, non and dec. These all are the short form for the use of carbon. And now you say, ma'am, why you are going to write? What is the need? Children, we are writing only to make you understand in what way you are going to write if you are getting that particular carbon atom. Whether you will write capital M or you will write small m. These all things we are going to decide from here. So please write your heading. Prefixes used for naming of organic compound. Prefixes used for naming of organic compound. Clear? This is only to recall the things. Now please note it fast. Nothing is there to understand in this. Anyhow, you have to recall this. Here you will write, with other color I am writing, number of carbon atom. Number of carbon atoms. And then prefix. Prefixes. Clear? I will take all the carbon atom here only. Prefixes means what? In Hindi it is called it as your prefixes means पहले. Clear? Understood? अगर आपका एक कार्बन होगा तो क्या करेंगे? मुझे लगता है कि मुझे एक ही कलर का पेन यूज करना चाहिए। एक होगा तो क्या करेंगे? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 और 10। ठीक है, एक होगा तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे, मैथ, METH। दो होगा तो एथ, ETH। तीन होगा तो प्रोप। चार होगा तो ब्यूट। पांच होगा तो पेंट। ठीक है, छह होगा तो हेक्स। मैथ, एथ, प्रोप, ब्यूट, पेंट, हेक्स। सात होगा तो हेप्ट। If it is 8, then you will use oct. Short form of October will be your oct. You can name it like that. 9, not. And for 10, you are using deck. So please recall with me in a short way. Clear? Sometimes we are writing capital as well. You can write any letter. It's no hard and fast rule for this. This is short, okay? So please recall with me what we are going to write. You have to recall meth, eth, probe, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. Generally, we are using these many carbon atoms as per your class. Children, these things you have to recall with me. Clear, no? So just try to practice more and more, and try to go with the revision of this topic again and again. And many of the videos already I have uploaded from this topic. So if you have any confusion, you can just put your questions on that. If you are new to this channel, please keep update yourself to get more videos from this channel. Clear, no? And keep watching my videos. I will give you the different short tricks for you to understand the chapters better. So children, that's all. We are going to end up the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.